Now in this video we will continue again. Okay. At last by starvation and famine made bold. Starvation means जो भूख लगती है ना, hungriness, and famine means दुष्काल, जब बारिश नहीं होती और कई जगह पे दुष्काल पड़ता है ना, that is called as famine. So because of the starvation and famine he became bold, means he became strong. All dripping with wet. Dripping with wet means very wet, ज़्यादा भीगा हुआ. And all trembling with cold. Trembling means shaking, shivering. He was, because he was wet in that cold season ना, he was shaking there. जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी लगती है तो इंसान एकदम हिलता है ना, that is called as trembling. Always he set off to a miserly end. Then what he thought of, because of his starvation and famine, he thought that he must go and ask the help of the miserly ant. Miserly means clever ant. To see if, to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow. He had repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. What he thought, that now he should take the help of that wise ant to, and he was thinking if they will help him then only he is going to survive, he is going to be alive, otherwise he will get die of starvation. वो सोचता है कि अगर ये मेरी हेल्प करेंगे तो ही मैं बचूंगा, वरना तो मैं भूख से मर जाऊंगा. और sorrow means दुख से. And what he thinks that if I will go there and if I will ask the ant, they would grant me, यानी मुझे मेरी जो इच्छा है, ग्रांट मी यानी जो मेरी इच्छा है वो पूरी करेंगे, मुझे वो शेल्टर देंगे इस बरसात वाली, जो मीन्स ठंडी में कभी कभी स्नोफॉल की वजह से भी बरसात जैसे लगता है ना, तो वो सोचता है कि मुझे वो इससे बचाएंगे और माउथ फुल ऑफ ग्रेन यानी थोड़ा सा खाने के लिए भी कुछ देंगे. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेज देम दैट ही इज़ नॉट आस्किंग देम टू गिव हिम, ही जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बोरो द फूड फ्रॉम देम, मीन्स वो उनसे उधार लेना चाहता है जो वो बाद में रिटर्न भी कर देगा. पर वो सोचता है कि क्या वो मेरी हेल्प करेंगे, अगर करेंगे तो ही मैं सरवाइव करूँगा, अदरवाइज़ मैं तो भूख से और इस दुख से मर जाऊँगा. Okay, so he says that to see if, to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he had repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrows, because he had done nothing and now he was trying to take the help of the ant who was continuously working throughout that summer season, and he wants to take the help of them. Okay, this was the second part of the video. In the next part of the video we will continue the poem. Okay.